Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make a double puff sleeve. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my video. So the first thing you do is to fold your fabric into two and divide it into three. So I actually made a length of 26 inch and I marked 10 inch for each puff, then 6 inch for the last one. So okay, so I marked 2 inch below from the top side, then curve for the armhole. So I also deepened it a bit because the sleeve is actually going to be a free one, so I have to deepen it a bit. And for the folding that will be on top where I can add my elastic, so I cut through the 26 inch, which is the length. So the next thing I do is to cut out the armhole side. So after cutting the armhole, the next thing I gather a bit at every 10 inch that I marked. I gather it up a bit. I also gather the second line. Okay, so the last one is actually going to be, as in it's not actually going to be a puff, it's just going to stay like that. So the first thing I do is to hem the top side and the downside. So I'm actually hemming the downside because I will not be adding elastic on the lower part, but I'll be adding elastic at the upper part. Okay, so at the upper part I fold with more allowance. Then I started attaching elastic on the 10 inch that I made, or the 10 inch gap that I made. So this elastic, while attaching it, I'll be stretching it at the same time as I'm attaching it. Then I'll be sure that it's actually, moving, it's actually stretching to my satisfaction. So the next thing I do is to attach my elastic using a safety pin at the upper side. Remember, I'm not going to attach it on the lower part, so I attached elastic on 3 different layers: the top side, the second side, and the low and the downside, which is 1 2 3. Okay, so this is me attaching this to my top. So if you want to learn how I was able to make this corset top, you can just check on my previous videos to see how I made this top. So I attached this sleeve from the top side of the front, then I attached again from the back side, that's from the top side of the back. Okay, so this is me attaching the sleeves, and I hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is me trying to fit the top, and I have to flip it out to join all the layers together. So I match up all the layers that I actually made from top, center, and the middle side. Okay, I join all the allowances together, then flip it out back. Yo, my top is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.